Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to connect your Pixelverse account to a ByBit wallet. This is a crucial step if you are involved in blockchain gaming or want to manage your cryptocurrencies efficiently. If you are not, the blockchain games like the Pixel step by Pixelverse, if you know how to important to link your crypto wallet to the game. This allows you to earn and manage the game currencies that can be converted into real cryptocurrencies. However, connecting your wallet can sometimes seems daunting. In this video, we will walk through a simple step-by-step process to connect your Bybit wallet to Pixelverse. Whether you are using the Pixel tab or the any other Pixelverse platform, this step will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, open your Pixelverse dashboard or the Pixel tab guide, then navigate to the settings section and the select wallet. Click on the connect wallet to choose Bybit from the list of available options. Next, you will need to enter your Bybit wallet address. To find this, open your Bybit app, go to the asset, then the deposit, and select the crypto. Choose USDT and ERC20. Copy your wallet address from this screen. Now go back to the Pixelverse and paste the address. Confirm that it's correct, and you should see the confirmation message indicating that your wallet is connected. If you encounter any issue, ensure that your wallet address is correct and that your Bybit wallet is active. If problem persists, you can reach out to Bybit or the Pixelverse support for assistance. And that's it. Connecting a Bybit wallet to Pixelverse is straightforward once you know the step. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech-related tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on your latest part.